Losing weight is not about starving yourself or following extreme diets. It's about small, smart habits that you can follow for life. In this video, I'll share 10 proven weight loss tips and tricks that are simple, science-based, and actually work. If you want sustainable weight loss, stay till the end. Tip 1. Focus on calories, not starvation. Weight loss happens when you burn more calories than you eat. This is called a calorie deficit. You don't need to eat very little. You just need to eat smart portions. Use a smaller plate. Fill half your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with protein, and 1/4 with carbs. Tip 2. Increase protein intake. Protein is your best friend for weight loss. It keeps you full longer and reduces cravings. Good protein sources include eggs, chicken breast, fish, lentils, beans, yogurt, and tofu. Try to include protein in every meal, especially breakfast. Tip 3. Cut sugar and liquid calories. Sugary drinks are one of the biggest reasons people gain weight. Soft drinks, sweet tea, fruit juices, and energy drinks are full of empty calories. Replace them with water, black coffee, green tea, or lemon water. Tip 4. Eat more fiber. Fiber helps digestion and keeps you full for longer. High-fiber foods include vegetables, fruits, oats, brown rice, nuts, and seeds. Start your meal with vegetables or a salad to reduce overeating. Tip 5. Control portions, not food groups. You don't need to completely stop eating rice or carbs. The key is portion control. Eat slowly. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to realize you are full. Tip 6. Move more, sit less. You don't need a gym to lose weight. Daily movement matters more than intense workouts. Walk more, use stairs, stand up every hour, stretch your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement per day. Tip 7. Combine cardio and strength training. Cardio burns calories. Strength training builds muscle. More muscle means faster metabolism. Do bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks at home. Tip 8. Sleep is critical for weight loss. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and cravings. If you sleep less than 6 hours, weight loss becomes very difficult. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Tip 9. Manage stress and emotional eating. Stress causes emotional eating and belly fat. Practice deep breathing, meditation, light exercise, or journaling instead of stress eating. Tip 10. Be consistent, not perfect. You don't need to be perfect every day. One unhealthy meal won't ruin your progress. What matters is consistency over time. Small daily habits lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race.